It's important to stand correctly with your instrument when you start. The first thing you should do is hold the instrument away from your body with your hand in the L of the neck. Your hand, when the end pin is out far enough, should be chest height and lower than the shoulder. From there, you want to hold it with your arms slightly bent and then lean the bass towards you. This back rib here, the edge of the back of the instrument, should line up with your center line, and it should be close to your belly button. At this point, the nut of the instrument should be between your eyebrow and the top of your forehead. You want to make sure that you keep even weight on both legs, not moving one leg behind the bass or another leg in front of the bass. When it leans back against you, the instrument should almost balance itself and be turned at almost a 45-degree angle against your body. When sitting with the bass, you want to bring your left foot up onto the rung of a stool. Your right foot should be on the floor. And again, the instrument's back rib should meet your center line, and the instrument should lean against the inside of your left leg. The nut should still be between the eyebrow and the top of the forehead so that you can comfortably reach the bow to the playing area.